Let's start a revolution. Stand up all together now. Voice one, truth one.
It's on. The game will be quite fierce and unpredictable. You never know what will happen today. And this is the starting 11 for the visitors today. That's the whistle. Kick off. Knocks it towards to the front. Tried a through ball. Good play, one-on-one. What an amazing save! The keeper just saves the team. Sensational stop from the keeper. Through ball. Beautiful through ball. Reads the play beautifully. So we'll restart with that throw-in. Through ball. Pushing it forward. Quarter of the half gone. Both teams showing positive intent. Beautiful through ball. Crossing in from the corner. Thunder's clear. Oh, brilliant goalkeeping. Knocks it towards to the front. Looking for options. Through ball. Whipping it into the danger zone. Nice block. Away from immediate danger. Square pass. Goal! There goes the ball. A through ball attempt. Nice clean through. Off the post. Restart from the goalkeeper. Seeking out a passing lane. Goalkeeper relatively untroubled. Stoppage time has been revealed on the electronic board. Keeping possession nicely. Pressure forced the error. Clearance. An entertaining first half. Both teams were quite aggressive in the game. The second half begins. Square pass. A through ball attempt. Poor decision making. Driving it into the box. pressure forced the error. It's worth a try anyway. Play short to the back. Carrying the ball forward. Oh, good save. Oh, they lose possession now. So we'll restart with that throw-in. Beautiful through ball. What brilliant anticipation from the goalkeeper. Knocks it towards to the front. Nice through ball. Threaded through. Whipping it into the danger zone. Great anticipation there. The goalkeeper has done exceptionally well. A powerful effort, but just lacking accuracy. Driving it into the box. The ball is out of bounds. So we'll restart with that throw-in. Chances on. It's in. Plenty of power on that. Nice one. Through ball. Good play, one-on-one. Good ball movement and a decent position here. Goal! Again! Knocks it towards to the front. Through ball. Nice through ball. Crossing in from the corner. Forward long pass. Nice block. Across the corner, always a danger. Firing from the corner. Denied by the keeper. Impressive. Delicately played. A through ball attempt. The referee says that is all for today. The strongest team won the game. Let's congratulate them.